It's a deeply moving memorial service. I had the privilege in 2019 of visiting the memorial in Toronto also. But what I want to say here is that the families of the victims who continue after 40 years, normally one would have thought 40 years is a long time and the wounds will heal. But the grief remains. The fact that over 300 people, innocent people, their lives were snuffed out due to a terrorist action. A bomb was planted. And apart from the very moving speeches of the Taoiseach of Ireland, the Canadian minister, what I was very struck with was also the remarks made by the Canadian permanent representative to the United Nations, Honorary Bob Rae. He said that in 2005, he had been mandated by his government to prepare a report on the Kanishka bombing. And I think Prime Minister Stephen Harper was then in Canada. And the report that he produced, I think, resonates and is very relevant today. It said that this was an act of crime. It came from hate. It was a terrorist action. And that there is no justification for any action like this. And all I can tell you is, if that kind of terror activity is allowed to continue, and it is, today I mentioned that in 2024, there have been over 800 such deaths. So it does not matter where the terrorist action takes place, 9/11 in the US, 26/11 in India, or Pahalgam more recently. The act of terror is a crime against humanity, because a terrorist takes away the most fundamental right of all, the right to life. So a memorial like this, where very many people come together to mourn in grief and to recall, should send out a very powerful message to the global community that these kinds of acts of terror, no matter what the cause, you may have political differences, you may have ideological differences, you can disagree with each other, but that does not mean anyone has a right to take away the most fundamental right of all, the right to life. And that message must go out.
आज भारत की सरकार के मंत्री श्री हरदीप पुरी जी के नेतृत्व में भारतीय शिष्टमंडल ने भी इस जगह पर अपनी ओर से श्रद्धा सुमन भेंट किए हैं और ये घटना हम सबको बहुत कष्ट देने वाली और एक पूरे विश्व को सीख देने वाली है कि आतंकवाद हर समय मानवता का दुश्मन है और हम सबको आतंकवाद के खिलाफ मिलकर लड़ना चाहिए। जिस तरह भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत ने आतंक के समूल नाश के लिए जो संकल्प लिया है, पूरे विश्व के अंदर ये आतंकवाद खत्म हो ताकि मानवता की रक्षा हो सके।